You guys, they look so good. They look like the legit deal. Oh my god. Doesn't look like... What is up, you guys? Yes here. Welcome back to my kitchen. So we're back today with another cooking, baking video. I'm not really sure what this would actually be, but we're back in the kitchen today. You guys know that I'm like a housewife, whatever. I'm wearing a dress, trendy in the kitchen. So today we're gonna be making Japanese souffle pancakes. I was scrolling through YouTube like 2 nights ago and I saw them. They're puffy, they're beautiful, and I was like, you know what? I need to have these in my life. And it seems pretty easy to do, so that is what we're gonna be doing today. Please don't forget to subscribe before we get started and hit that bell so you guys get notified every single time that I upload. And if you guys are ready, then let's get. All right, so first off, we're gonna take our 2 eggs and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put the egg whites in here. And then the egg yolk over here. All the recipes say 1.5 tablespoons of. Okay, so all of the recipes say 1.5 tablespoons of whole milk, but I'm gonna use silk. Okay, so we're gonna see if it works. I'm gonna go ahead and find the cake mix flour. You guys, I don't think it came out. This obviously doesn't look like they're supposed to look. I will say, I tasted it and it tastes really good. And you could feel the fluffiness, but it obviously does not look like it's supposed to look. It just kept getting whiter and whiter, so. That's not the business, but we're gonna try it again, okay? We're gonna try it again. And this time I'm gonna try putting pancake mix and not cake mix, even though the instructions said cake. But all right, so we're trying it again. We're not gonna give up. Cooks don't give up, so let's see. Okay, so I decided to get bigger pots, pans, I don't know, whatever this is, because I feel like maybe the egg whites needed to breathe or something. I don't know. Okay. So we're gonna put the egg whites in here. And then the eggs in there. All right, so this time we're gonna be adding pancake mix instead of cake mix. And we're gonna see how that turns out, so. Okay, so it says to mix but not over mix, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and be taking some of this in here and we're gonna mix it. Oh, you guys, I'm scared because I really want it to work, dang it. Okay, so we're just gonna like be mixing it. It says to mix it without like ruining the bubbles. But like, how do you not ruin the bubbles? Like, you're mixing it, you know? I feel like I ruined all the bubbles. I can feel it. Okay, so we're making it a little bit runny. This is what it's looking like. I have a feeling it's gonna work this time, okay? Law of attraction. Okay, so I think from here, we're gonna put it, first of all, let me take it all. We need as much fluff as we can possibly get. Hi, you guys. Okay. Okay. Positive vibes. Please send positive vibes. I mean, at this point, I have to upload this even if I fail because, like, this was the video I had planned for today, but I really expected to get it, like, the first try, you know? It looks so easy. Okay. She said, be soft with it. I'm literally trying to be as soft as I possibly can. Okay, so now I'm gonna try a method where I put this stuff into a bag and then I try to make it fluffy. We'll see how it goes. Did I wash this? Obviously I did not, so. What are you doing? Oh my god, you guys, this is a mess. You guys, this is a mess. Oh. So it looks like the pancake is coming out, but I don't know about this strategy right now. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Ah. You guys, I'm pissed. I'm pissed. Because my strategy is working, but like it also isn't. Okay. Okay, so the batter's good, just my strategy was not very good. Okay, what am I doing? Okay, okay, so we're just gonna go, oh my god. Okay, we'll have to, we're gonna add some water, and then we're gonna close it. And the water is for it to steam. You guys, I think it's working. Oh my god, of course I had to do that. I had to do that thing where it's like, mess everything up. Do you guys remember those? Wow. Okay. You guys, oh my god, it's working. Oh my god, I am a chef. Okay, okay. Let's get for real. Wow. Guys, look at that. Look at those bad memories over there. Okay, now let's go ahead and make the, oh my god, I'm gonna burn stuff. You guys, I don't know how people cook and like keep up with so many things at once. Like, it's beyond me. Okay. Ooh, I still see bubbles in here. Now I know what they're talking about. I was not familiar with this method before, you guys, but I am now because obviously I'm a cook. You guys, I low-key can't believe that I got it, honestly. I'm so excited. Look at how ugly these were, but honestly, it's really good. They're a little ugly, but they're good. You guys, they look so good. They look like the legit deal. Look at those fluffy babies. I really wish I would have cleaned that because now it doesn't look that professional. I know Michael's gonna have a fit because Michael likes everything to be perfect, which is cool. It's cool, you know what I mean? But I was kind of like, what if it doesn't even work and then I cleaned it for nothing, you know? Should I add a little bit more water so it can steam more? Just doing what I gotta do in the kitchen, you know what I mean? You guys, look at these. How cute are they? I love them. Okay, so we're gonna put the last one on. You could also use one of those little round things to make sure that they're like super round, because obviously mine are kind of like different shapes, but I don't have one of those, so it's fine. You guys, this is the last one. Why? Like, they all looked so cute, and then the last one was just like, F you, I'm gonna do what I want. I think it's maybe because the batter was just sitting there. I don't know, but how dare you? I hate you. Alright, so you guys, this was the last one. Like, I don't even know how that happened. It was on track to be the best pancake of all of them. And it, like, I don't really know how this happened. I mean, these came out cute. Definitely should have been, like, whiter. But I don't know, like, the batter that I used, which was the recipe that I used, like, this is all you're gonna get. So if you're gonna make some for your whole family, I would definitely recommend tripling up the recipe, because this is not going to be I don't even think this is enough for me. And I don't eat anything. This is pretty much as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna go ahead and add some whipped cream to kind of like make it look cute. But I mean, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. For my second try, it's not that bad, okay? Definitely should have made like twice or 3 times the amount, so that way they could have been like bigger, because I feel like if they would have been bigger, they just would have looked better. And then also, if you happen to have one of those round things, is it like an egg to make the eggs round? I think that would work, because then it kind of keeps its shape, you know, and it doesn't like fall apart. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and add some. Okay, that's kind of cute, you know? You know what I mean? I mean, listen, they're cute. And they are a little bit bigger than regular pancakes, okay? So don't come for me. Also, you can put syrup on it, but I don't like syrup. I would rather have whipped cream. So let's see. Definitely a lot of layers, but it's good, you guys. It does taste eggy, obviously, because we have egg in it. So let me see. Let me add a little bit more whipped cream. I really wish I could have eaten them hot, because they would have been so much better. ¿Quién se le antojó? Sorry. When you eat it with strawberry, it kind of tastes like a cake. Yes. Yes. I'm into it, you guys. That is good. That's really good. Alrighty guys, so that is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys do try it out and it doesn't come out, please try again. I'm definitely going to be trying to perfect this, because first of all, they're so cute, so aesthetically pleasing, and they're also really, really yummy. So, you know, was it perfect this time? No. Was it perfect the first time? Absolutely not. Is it gonna be perfect the next time that I make them? Also, probably not. But listen, we're gonna keep on trying, okay? So if you guys do try it out, please make sure to tag me on Instagram, so that way I can see your guys' creations and how you guys like decorate it and whip it up. Also, I was thinking maybe if you guys leave me like easy recipes or something in the description box, or maybe we can, not in the description box, in the comments, what am I saying? Maybe we can come up with something where you guys share your guys' like recipes, you know, and maybe Mike and I can whip them up or something. I don't know. Just an idea, but don't forget to subscribe before you guys go and hit that bell so you guys get notified on every single video that I upload. And yeah, I think that's it. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys next time.